Pwede pong combine ang sahod ng mag-asawa if mag-avail ng property, ma'am. Thanks po. This is a question from Sir Spitfires and sasagutin natin yan sa video na to. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito, your trusted and PRC real estate salesperson based in Cavite. And itong question niya ni Sir is pertaining specifically sa project natin sa Imus na pumapatak lang ng 5,000 ang reservation at 10,000 lang ang monthly down payment. May 3-story townhouse ka na. Kaya kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang video na yan, pumunta ka na sa profile ko at panoorin mo na si 3-lane residences in Imus, Cavite. And ito nga yung common question na tinatanong talaga sa amin regarding sa co-borrower, regarding sa required income at pag-uusapan natin yan. And to simply answer this question, yes, pwedeng-pwede po dahil pag-ibig financing naman tayo, actually even through bank financing,